It's been some time. I just made some summer doodles. It would be nice maybe to make stickers out of them. It's been a while since I made some stickers. And in order to do that, I think I'm gonna scan this document. Let's see how this works. Ah, wow. All right, looks good. So this is my very first scan. I don't know why I'm so excited, because it's just a scan of one of my doodles. And in case you're new, welcome to this channel. I've been pivoting my channel to more of a creative, like illustration, sketching, doodling channel. And I'm just learning along the way, and I'm just sharing what I'm learning and sharing the joy of creation. So I don't have any editing software like Photoshop or Adobe. So I'm gonna transfer this to my iPad and then just edit in there. I don't want to make it too complicated, just keeping it simple. So that's what I'm gonna do, all right? As you might see, the inner scan here is out of focus because the sketchbook is just here going in. I just love making videos so much, and I love drawing and sketching, but I don't really make videos. So what is this? I made the white border around most of the stickers, so I'm gonna just transfer this to the sticker cutting machine. Now, what is the software? So I forgot to turn off the background in Procreate. Let's do it again. Oh, I was confused as to why the files were grayed out, like I couldn't import them in the software. So everyone knows who's been working with computers, like there's a ton of obstacles you have to go through before you're getting to your desired result, I guess. Now, the computer has trouble like importing all the little files. The Studio is just importing them in different studio projects, so they're not all importing into one project, which is very nice. I have to search if this is like, if there's a proper way to import all the individual stickers into one project. So it seems like I can only drag and drop or open within the file merge selection to just open them one by one. But I cannot find another way to just import all the different individual files into this one. So if you know if there's a different way, please let me know, because this is very time consuming. I just arranged them not with a beautiful sticker sheet, because this is just a test. So if it turns out nice, I can make like a more beautiful sticker sheet with like a background and all that. But I didn't even edit like the colors or the brightness of these stickers. So it's directly scanned from the paper and made into stickers. Yeah, I'll see how this turns out, and then we can make adjustments from there. So let's go. All right, so I'm gonna use an old like sticker sheet, because I'm gonna use it for like a journal, like paper journals. I'm not gonna laminate these stickers, so I'm just using a test sheet. See? Perfect. So I even forgot like the settings for the color and stuff. Oh, it's way too dark. Oh, it's black and white. Alright, no success. It's very messy. But at least I can test the cutting machine. I just want to have them kiss cut, so they're not completely cut through. So the blacks are not really that black, you know? It's It's not really what I thought it would be. Maybe you can see. But we're gonna make them into stickers anyway. So they cut out really well. Yes, they do really good. Yeah. Let's cut. So the cutting machine does not recognize the registration marks to know where to cut. What should I do? So I don't know if this was the thing, but there was ink here. So if this was bothering the machine, I put some tape over the ink here. We did it. I'm not really happy about the outcome. It's too dark for my liking, but I haven't edited the file, so I can do that another time. But oh, so satisfying, really nice. I can use them in my journal. Maybe let's use a blank canvas here. Very beautiful sketch. And I just made these stickers. I guess the lesson of today is just have fun in the process and just try new things. Like there's a lot more to learn. I think I feel better having tried this than spend hours on YouTube or gaming. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next one.